The Onti50-400Pcs fiber optic fast connector presents a practical solution for modern fiber optic deployments. Designed specifically for single-mode fiber, this product caters to the demanding requirements of fiber to the home (FTTH) networks, emphasizing rapid and efficient field assembly. A key feature of this connector is its SC-APC designation, indicating an angled physical contact ferrule. This design choice is critical for minimizing back reflection, a significant factor in maintaining signal integrity and performance in high-bandwidth optical networks. As a fast connector and quick connector, its primary performance attribute lies in its ability to provide prompt termination of single-mode fiber, streamlining installation processes on-site. Its utility is most evident in FTTH installations and other field assembly scenarios where speed and consistency are paramount. Technicians can utilize these connectors for new deployments, network extensions, or urgent repairs, quickly establishing reliable optical links without the need for extensive, time-consuming fusion splicing or specialized equipment typically required for traditional terminations. The availability in quantities ranging from 50 to 400 pieces further underscores its suitability for projects requiring bulk deployment and consistent component availability. The design inherently supports usability, with its quick connector and field assembly attributes indicating a focus on straightforward, repeatable termination procedures. This design choice contributes to enhanced operational efficiency and reliability in diverse field environments. The standardized SC-APC interface also ensures compatibility within existing fiber optic infrastructures, providing a dependable and professional connection point. Overall, the Onti SC-APC fiber optic fast connector emerges as a purposeful component for single-mode fiber networks. Its design prioritizes efficient field assembly and reliable performance, making it a valuable asset for professionals engaged in FTTH and other fiber optic deployments where rapid, high-quality connections are essential.